Hello, dear friends. Welcome to social science class. Students, we are at the end of the chapter that is the realms of the earth. Okay, and in the present video, we'll be learning about the last sphere of the earth that is biosphere. Right. Before going to begin, let's have a quick look at first three spheres which we already learned. Okay, the first one that is atmosphere. It means the area covered by air. Okay, we call it atmosphere. Then second one, domain of water, we call it hydrosphere. And the third one, the land portion on the earth, we call it geosphere, or we call it what, lithosphere. Now we want to know about biosphere, right? Then what is biosphere? Let's learn about biosphere. But before going to learn about biosphere, let's see where living things found. Okay, because we need to know this, then only we will understand about the biosphere. Okay, so the question is, where does life exist? Okay, so life exists in water, it is also existing in air and in lithosphere. Okay, means on the land and also inside the land, living things can be found. Okay, now it has become very easy to understand what is meant by biosphere. Okay, so biosphere is a layer of the earth, it is a domain of the earth where there is a life exists, or we can say that life can be found there, isn't it? Biosphere in which there exists life, right? Then life is existing in atmosphere, it is also existing in hydrosphere or lithosphere. Then we can say that biosphere covers atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, isn't it? It overlaps three spheres of the earth, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Okay, it includes birds, animals, plants, humans and microorganisms. Okay, so we are not only humans living in the biosphere, but all the plants, animals, birds and all insects and microorganisms will live together in the biosphere. And we not only living things, but non-living things also exist in biosphere, right? So if you see that our natural surrounding in which we interact, so this natural surrounding also a part of biosphere. How we can say, for example, um, air we require, right? We require air for breath, isn't it? That we get from surrounding, isn't it? And you know that we require oxygen, and that oxygen is it is there included in the air. So air is very much essential part. You see that it is a non-living thing, but it is there in the surrounding and it is very much important for us. Okay, so we are interacting each other, isn't it? So this is what we have to understand. So this air is also part of biosphere, right? So non-living things also part of biosphere. So together we can say that living thing and non-living thing, they are the two components, and biosphere is made of living things as well as non-living things. Okay, so as I said that there are two components of the biosphere, that is living thing and non-living thing, right? These are the two components of the biosphere, and if any of these two will be affected by human interference or by any way, then it is going to be dangerous for biosphere. Means it will be badly affected on human life, also on animal lives, and also on the bird life, right? For example, due to cutting down the trees, animals habitat have been devastated. The people who are depending on the trees, they also got affected, and because of this deforestation, it has caused rampant flood. Okay, so these are the um, disadvantages of cutting down the trees. So we must make sure that our any act won't spoil the balance of the biosphere, because one way or other way it is going to hit us badly, and also plants and animals too. So we need to be more vigilant in doing any kind of wrong act in our surrounding. Thank you.